Wanted to demonstrate quickly how to make a tapered implant. Um, what I have here is a plane which I've just scaled to be um, long enough so that it covers the whole implant. I've added an empty at the origin, and then to the plane I've added a mirror modifier. So this one, and then made the mirror object the empty. So that allows whenever I move this, I get a corresponding um, mirrored plane on the other side of the origin. So if we know what we want the apical diameter of our implant to be, we can move this plane. If the apical diameter is, let's say, 2 millimeters, we can move the plane 1 unit to the right. And if we know the taper is 15 degrees, rotate it like that. That's probably a bit much, but 5 degree. Okay, so then we'll use that as our guide. Here, tab into edit mode. I can't see the planes. Let me do one quick thing. Okay. So once we're in edit mode, we'll enable proportional editing, make it linear, which it is, and then select um, just the bottom set of vertices. That will allow us to scale, and we'll limit it to the X direction. So we don't want to include the collar. Well, I guess you can, but then you can use your guide geometry to fit yourself the um, within your guide geometry. Now, if you look onto the bottom left, I can't point with my mouse because I'm in the process of scaling. But if you watch right here, okay, so scale X, you see I can't point to it, but it's going to say something like 0.4839. So we'll click to confirm. Remember that number, scale Y 0.4839. Now when we look at it from the side, we've got the same taper as well. I notice it by limiting to X and Y, we did not change the pitch of our threads. So it's not perfectly exact, but it should be pretty close. All right, and that's how you make a tapered implant.